in the
Kukri
possession
Park.
of army.
Kukri Park.
Kukri Park.
Park area. Yes. Okay.
It was in the possession of Kukri Park garden. It was a garden. Kukri Park garden it was.
Okay.
And that garden was inaugurated by our Honorable Field Marshal Manik Shah. He was general at that time, 1999. He inaugurated that garden. And it was maintained by our this PSR from.
No, whom did that garden belong to? Was it part of our defense land?
It was in possession of army, but not a defense land.
Okay.
Why you know? I'll tell you. See, no, when it was in possession of army, but not on the record of military land records. They are having one register in Defense State Office that is called Military Land Record.
Okay.
There is a procedure as per the Land Acquisition Act. Whatever land you are in possession, Army, Navy, Air Force, this Defense State Office should send a report to Defense Ministry, and they should start the procedure for acquiring that land.
Okay.
And after acquisition, that land should come on your military record.
Okay.
But they have not done. They have not done that. So this land was belonged to Government of Maharashtra. And this was decided in the inquiry commission was set up against the asset in case of Adarsh scam. They are told that this land belongs to Government of Maharashtra. Not defense.
Okay.
But presently that building is with defense. Army is controlled.
So title is it means like that one second, the title is with this Maharashtra government, but possession is with the army, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So because DEO did not defense did not take the process of acquisition, so it that ownership title is with the Maharashtra government, right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Right.
And second thing is people confuse that this building was only made for Kargil war heroes and widows of Kargil war heroes.
Okay.
No. As per the bylaws of the society, there is no such mention. This was only for IWASH for getting the permission for clearing the file as early as possible. This was created by one of the politicians. He has written a letter to the then Chief Minister of Maharashtra that this building is we are going to construct this building for Kargil war heroes and for their widows. But this was not actual fact. And this is also decided by inquiry commission of set up by Government of Maharashtra that there was no clause in the bylaws of the society that only the membership will be given to the Kargil war heroes and or their widows. No.
But why
there
that
not a single? I think
why that perception was given? It's only for the Kargil war heroes because to get the easy process from army.
Yes. The easy process from permission from the state government and all.
Achha, okay, sir. Okay.
See, actually, initially this society was made for only defense personnel, Army, Navy, Air Force.
Achha.
But that out of 104, not a single Air Force personnel, I think. Only Navy and Army personnel there. But when they approached the state government of Maharashtra, these officials and politicians, they said that without any political support, you will not get approval. So they involved one MLC in that.
Local MLC.
Also, the co-secretary, local MLC, Kanayalal Gidwani.
Achha.
Kanayalal Gidwani.
Okay.
And he has only made that letter that this building will be made for the Kargil war heroes.
Achha.
And due to him only, they got all clearances and the building was constructed.
Okay.
So he is having 3 flats in that building.
My God.
Kanayalal Gidwani was having 3 flats in that.
Okay.
But I don't know because of
how many, sir, out of
during
all
the
those
investigation
things, out of 104 I think flats, how many were allotted to our defense personnel?
Around 40% allotted to defense personnel and 60% are to politicians and bureaucrats, mainly bureaucrats, and they are also not taken on their own name, given on son names or somebody names.
Benami names.
Yeah. Benami names.
Okay.
Benami names. So there are 3 charge sheets we have made. One charge sheet for actual criminals.
Okay.
Criminals. those who have misuse of their official position. There
Okay.
are 13 accused are there, and they were arrested. 12 were arrested. 13 was not arrested. He was ex-CM. He was not arrested.
So he was
Other
also
12 were arrested.
no, the ex-CM was also an accused in that case. Was
Yeah,
he
yeah.
accused?
First 13 criminals. First
Acha.
13 criminals
Okay, okay.
under section 7 of PCI.
Other 12 criminals, I mean accused persons.
Other 12 criminals, I don't remember the name, all the names. But only thing I remember the R.C. Thakur. He's the chief promoter. Second, a Brigadier Vanchu. Brigadier Vanchu was Brigadier President of the opposition. One Mr. This thing is P.V. Deshmukh is there. Then Jairaj Pathak was the Municipal Commissioner Mumbai.
Municipal Commissioner.
Mumbai Municipal Commissioner, MCGM Commissioner. He had given some high rate committee permission. Municipal Commissioner there. Then Ramananda Tiwari was there. He was the principal secretary to UD department.
My God,
And
higher,
two major
all higher
generals there.
officials only.
I
Municipal
don't
secretary.
remember. All higher officers are. Major General, 2 Major Generals were there accused. They were in custody for more than 60 days.
My God. Okay.
And all these 13 people, after receiving release on bail, used to come daily to report me.
Now,
Reporting daily, they were made to
here-
report.
What was
And
the
I
role
was
of?
in charge of the state team.
One second, sir. One second. What was the role of our major generals?
Different. That I file. The clearance of file and give clearance and so many things are there. That is not this thing. I can open that.
Acha, okay. Now, okay, sir.
Different
Please.
roles are played by different roles. But
Okay.
main thing is that file gone through them and they got benefit. What is benefit? They got flat in other building. That is what a quid pro quo
Quid
called.
pro quo. Acha,
You have
okay.
cleared that file, you clear this, and you got a flat in the other building.
Okay,
That is a
okay.
quid pro quo. So they became accused and they were arrested.
Okay.
The first charge sheet we have made.
Were they working in
July
service, sir, or
2012.
after retired from the service? Major generals you are talking
Retired
about,
from
were
the
they
service.
working
No,
in the
they
service?
were, yeah, their role was during the service.
Oh,
Yes.
Ach-
During
okay.
the service only they handled the file. No, because it was quite some time. But
Acha.
during service, all
Okay.
were during the service only handled the file. And
Acha, acha.
misuse of their official position.
But by the time you inquiry started, were they in the service or they retired, sir?
No, they retired.
Acha, okay. Right, sir.
Retired.
Okay. Right, sir.
Everybody was retired.
Okay.
Only 1 or 2 this civil person, B.B. Deshmukh and all, they were, even Ramananda Tiwari and all, they were in service
Okay.
that time. The bureaucrats,
Okay.
they
Right,
were
sir.
in service.
Okay.
So first charge sheet we have filed in July 2012.
Acha, one second. What was the
13
accusation?
accused,
Well, sir, one out of
including
interest. What was the
Minister of
accusation?
Maharashtra Ashok Chavan.
Acha, one second.
Now-
One second, sir. One second. What was the accusation on the ex-CM, that Chavan, sir? What was the accusation?
See, he was earlier in this thing, Revenue and Forest Department. That time he cleared file
Acha.
and his 2 relatives got flat.
Acha.
And after when he was a chief minister, he has given clearance for something and he got 1 more flat in there.
Acha.
So
Again,
total
this
3
quid pro
flat
quo.
was there.
Quid pro quo
on
everywhere.
his relative name.
Okay.
Quid pro quo was there, yes.
In all the stages. Yes, sir. Okay.
His
Please.
brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and his father-in-law. All 3 people were having flat
Okay.
in other building.
Okay.
So first our this thing, inquiry and investigation charge sheet was there on the criminal side. Second charge sheet was there on this Benami property. Benami properties means we have to, so Benami the members. So we have to inquire each and everyone that how they got this flat, how they come across this Mr. Thakur or Brigadier Vanchu, how they got money, how they got the fund and all.
Okay.
And all.
Okay.
For that, not 104 divided into 6. So everybody got 17, and some people got 1 or 2 extra. So I got 17 members at different personalities. So out of that, 2 personalities were our general, two generals,
Oh,
General Deepak Kapoor and General Nirmal Chand Veer.
General Deepak
was
Kapoor.
just retired from army as a general.
Who, sir? Who
And he
retired?
was staying in Gurgaon.
Who?
General Deepak Kapoor that time was just retired as an army general. After
Okay.
retirement only I went for inquiry.
Okay.
And Nirmal Chand Veer was a senior officer.
No, but
was a
no, did
general
they have
only.
the flats? Did they have the flats in that others?
Yeah, they are having. That's why
Okay.
they, are,
Okay.
they were having. They are out of 104. These two were the members of the society. They were
Okay.
having the flats.
Okay.
They were called in Mumbai, in Tanna House for inquiry.
Okay,
but they
sir.
requested our director that
Okay.
we will not kindly send your officers to our residence.
Okay.
So I was alone. I was alone went there to their residence at Gurgaon for their interrogation and inquiry.
Okay.
After taking appointment, I phoned them that tomorrow I am coming for inquiry. So he said the same day you don't come to my house. First you go to Nirmalji NCV and next day you come to me. So first I went to NCV. I had taken his examination and interrogation, whatever this I wanted, I inquire.
Sir, be in the middle. Sir,
Second day I
please
inquired
be in the middle, sir. Be in the middle.
Deepak Kapoor.
Be in the middle, sir. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Prior to one day, I visited NCV. I interrogated him, examined, and next day I went to Deepak Kapoor sir and examined. They are not knowing me. I was started, and I was also having a feeling in my mind. We are brought in officer, government or defense, and you consider yourself as one rank above him. Then only you can interrogate him. Then only you can examine him. So that was there in my mind.
No, sir, once
So
again,
I-
it's not clear. So, did you not reveal your rank as an ex-Air Force sergeant? No.
No. I never. First time only I am revealing my rank in front of you, sir. Now only they must have come to know. If anybody watching this video, they will come to know that I am a veteran. Nobody was knowing that I am a veteran.
Okay, when you went there to General.
So I went to Kulli, I was a CBI officer.
No, how were you received, sir? How were you received by the generals?
Huh. Hello.
How you were received by them?
Both. I was received by them. They came to my car and they received me nicely. They had told me that, "Hey, you are from Maharashtra now. We have made poha for you."
Okay.
I said that I had my breakfast. Just now I have had breakfast and come to you. I don't want anything. Then I started my work and I recorded statement on their laptop only. I took my laptop actually, not theirs. My laptop I took, and on that I recorded their statement.
Now, did they cooperate
Same
with you?
thing with
Did
the
they cooperate
SCV,
with you, sir? The
I
way you
recorded their
wanted
statement.
inquiry?
Yeah, definitely. Very nicely. Yes. Very nicely they cooperated. And they told me that I am resigning from my membership in society. I don't want the flat in the Adarsh building.
Okay.
So they both are not the members of the Adarsh society now.
Acha,
They have
acha.
surrendered their flat of Adarsh society.
So then what happens, sir?
So nothing.
Once they surrendered,
Union
so
people.
I think that case was withdrawn against them because of the
See,
surrender.
No case was made out. So
Acha, no case was made out, but they did not want to continue.
Only they are member and they paid that fund. They proved the fund from where they got the fund
Acha.
and how they got the flat.
Okay.
They have not involved in this correspondence
No,
or
no
any
irregularities
filing
from
work
their
or
side.
handling work or not.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So they were not involved. No irregularity because they were not involved in any correspondence or any file work pertaining
Acha.
to the other societies.
So absolutely, they are not found fault with any of the
When
things.
we started now. Correct.
That's
But
great.
in other cases, we found that when this is a driver of somebody, in a bureaucrat or politician, he is having the flat in other society. So when we inquired, we came to know that the money was given by that fellow,
Acha.
that means bureaucrat or politician. So that was a benami. So
So now
in
what was
benami
it,
charge
now,
sheet we
once
filed.
again, what
Two
was the
benami
money to be
charge
paid
sheet we
for purchasing
filed
it?
in
What was the
2013.
what was the amount of money to be paid? per plot?
There are actually two types of flats over there.
Yes,
3
sir.
BHK, 3-bedroom hall kitchen, and one
Yes.
flat was another was a 2-bedroom hall kitchen.
What is the
So it
cost
was
cost
costing
of
around
each plot?
50 lakhs
Cost.
and 89 lakhs. 3 BHK flat 89 lakhs,
Acha.
and this 2 BHK flat 60 lakhs, around 60 lakhs. So where from this they got this money?
Okay.
So that inquiry was there. I also inquired with these two generals, where from this you got this money. Then they are given the money trial and how they got the money.
They
and how
justified
they
their cost.
paid
Yeah. Yes.
officially all money.
Okay. Yes, sir.
They justified their cost.
Okay.
But other cases now we have found the driver, cleaner, or carpenter in their house, some contractor. On their name they have purchased a flat in other society. And they could not explain, these people, carpenter, driver and all. They could not explain how they got the money to pay for this flat. So they were the accused in the other Benami Property Act.
Okay.
In this case, Benami Property case. So when this, I handled this thing, MMRDA was Maharashtra Metropolitan Authority, not Development Authority. MMRDA was the planning authority for this Adarsh building. I mean, all
Okay.
permission
Acha.
from construction permission should be given by MMRDA.
Okay. Okay.
And BMC has given this thing a high risk.
Acha.
So I handle MMRDA, BMC, then UD department, state given registration, society registration and all.
Okay.
So there were many anomalies. Major anomaly was this planning authority had given a letter to the society that you are not taken CRZ clearance because it is just touching near, touching the sea.
What is that? Which
Just
authority,
touching
sir?
near to the sea, Arabian Sea.
Which authority? That is which is the authority?
CRZ.
CRZ means?
That is Environment Ministry of Central Government.
Acha. Acha. Okay.
Environment Ministry.
Okay.
CRZ means Coastal Regulation Zone.
Zone. Acha.
That
Coastal
building
regulation.
falls under Coastal Regulation Zone.
Acha. Okay.
Ministry of Environment. Central.
So they did not take the permission.
But they falsely shown this building was near to the defense establishment.
Okay.
So there was no permission from this defense establishment. Army establishment is there just nearby.
Okay.
That permission was there, and there were so many anomalies. So this building, the OC was revoked. There was no light connection was disconnected, electrical connection was disconnected, and water supply also disconnected.
Why?
Still, when we went for inspection of that building, some people were staying in that building.
Acha.
They arranged a electrical generator which
Acha.
gives the electricity to them. And
Only
they
to
are
cover
having
up.
the
Only
water
to
tanker
only
for
to
water
cover up.
supply.
Only to cover up.
But finally we removed them. We are not supposed to. After
Okay.
no, to say they have spent so much money on that building. So for their day-to-day activities, society activities, they are still there. Still the possession of the army, these people are changing like power supply like this and water supply by tankers and all.
Okay.
But after actually, I think Defense Ministry have filed a case in the Delhi High Court, and as per the direction of Delhi High Court, that building is under the possession of army now. And this case is and our case, which charge sheet we have filed, that is going on in Session Court Mumbai. And meantime, our ex-CM, he has filed a case in Session Court for quashing of FIR.
Acha, quashing of your case.
Quashing of FIR.
Okay.
Quashing of case FIR. He said that my name was involved.
Okay.
I don't have flat on my name.
Okay.
But he got succeeded in Session Court, High Court. Now his case is pending in Supreme Court. And Supreme Court has given some stay on this. So that matter is pending in session court.
So matter is pending in subsidies because of the Supreme
So
Court
while
direction.
this thing, no,
Yes, sir.
subjudice, yeah.
Subsidy.
So while investigation,
Sir, be in the
other
middle, sir. You're
can-
gone one side.
I
Be in the
knew
middle.
that
Please,
how
please be
the
in the
land
middle.
is acquired and how.
Sir, your image is not in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. No.
Yes, sir.
So while investigating Adarsha case, Adarsha building case, I got to know how the permission to be taken, what are the permissions are required for construction of building and all. So who had purchased in 2010 itself, the CBI has purchased a plot at Bandra Kurla complex because we are staying in the rented building at Tanna House, Kolaba. So CBI wanted their own building. So they purchased a plot in KC Bandra Kurla complex and to liaise with other departments like CPW.
Yeah, CPW takes care of all construction part of it.
And other agencies.
Yes, sir.
For the construction. From CBI side, somebody should be there. Since I am a technical person, electrical engineer, so I was given that task also to supervise and see our progress in the construction of building.
Okay.
In between, I used to go for this thing. Fund is required for time to time. Fund is required. So this DIG used to take me to Delhi along with him for this DOPT official, and he introduced me with a lot many officers at DOPT, North Block, even headquarters and all. I was staying along with him because he was from Tamil Nadu cadre. So especially one suit was reserved for him because he was DIG of Tamil Nadu, and I used to get room in this thing, suit in the other suit in that Tamil Nadu Bhavan. So wherever I go to Delhi, I used to stay in Tamil Nadu.
Acha, good.
So after he actually and then that the DIG also transfer. He transferred from CBI and he joined NIA. He was the chief of NIA in Mumbai area, Western zone.
Okay.
Sometime. So I was only then. They are not coming to Delhi. I only used to go to Delhi because he has introduced me with all the officers in North Block. So I used to handle all the things.
Okay.
So like that.
So gone on mute, sir. Unmute yourself. Unmute कीजिए.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah, please.
So,
One second. We are getting.
So every month, once.
Yes, sir. Unmute, sir. Unmute. Yeah. Yeah. Nurul Saab, you go on mute, please. Nurul Saab, please go on mute.
So every month, twice.
Yeah. Sargdar, बोलिए. Speak on, sir.
Every month, once, twice I visit Delhi in connection with the funds for the CBI office building and some various permissions from DOPT and headquarters CBI. So everybody was knowing me in CBI office from director to all SPs and all. And day-to-day work, morning time I used to go to BKC for the construction. Evening time I had to come to Tanna House, CBI office for other work investigation. So multitasking work I was doing then that.
Okay.
So building was completed in March 2016.
Okay.
2016 it was inaugurated. See, initially one funny thing, I forgot to tell. The foundation stone of this CBI office building was laid by the then Chief Minister, Mr. Ashok Chavan.
Acha.
And later on, he became the accused of the CBI, same CBI.
What an irony of life.
He laid the foundation. He inaugurated he laid the foundation stone
Uh-huh.
for CBI office building, and
So
later on he became the
yeah, he was
accused of
made victim by CBI.
CBI. Same department.
Yes, sir.
CBI is and main department, same department which was handling this CBI office building work also and other shows.
Acha, same. Okay.
That is one thing.
So then I
That's
think
why.
you
That's
dedicated
why.
lot of time for
That's why.
yeah.
That's why for the inauguration of final building, we did not call any politician. We all our director only inaugurated that building.
Opening ceremony. Yeah. Okay.
Got it.
Great, sir.
Opening
Great.
ceremony of that building.
Okay.
After that building, I got a lot many appreciations. Hmm. The CPWD chief engineer who was in charge of the building from CPWD side. So he has appreciated me a lot. He told that this Inspector Sarangdar, DYSP Sarangdar, has helped us lot for construction of this building in time.
Okay.
And this was noted down by director and all. So I was given appreciation, that appreciation photo I sent, and my name was recommended for police medal, president police medal.
Oh, that's great. So that's
But
great. Okay.
actually, I did not got it because it is selection category.
But at least you were recommended for the police medal to the president.
After yes, from Western Zone, I was president police medal.
Okay, that's great, sir.
Medal.
Okay.
Then I was at the verge of retirement at the 60. So in May 2016, I left CBI and came back to my central excise department.
Why? Because your deputation
Central
period is over.
only routine work, but no. They wanted to stay me there for one more year.
Uh-huh.
But all the retirement formalities I have to do in my parenthood.
Yeah. Okay.
That
Yes.
only, and this parenthood guarantee scheme. So for that I came in 2016. Then after coming to Central Excise, I undergone this training on all GST and all.
Sir, be in the
I
middle.
also concept.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Hello. So after coming back to Central Excise, I have gone to various training on GST.
Okay.
And after training, now I started giving training to other existing manufacturers or their associates, executives, and other associations. You can see my photograph. I used to go for seminar outreach program on GST. So I was well versed in GST also, which was introduced just in 2017 to September 2018. I was in GST department handling all work regarding GST and all. And in September 2018, on completion of my 60 years, so on superannuation, I retired from the service. Total, I served more than 42 years now. But all the time, I was 100% worker. I was not sitting in any office at all. I was in the field only always.
Why do you feel that you are in the field? Not in the office.
After retirement, means I never used to sit in the office. I go to field and see that officers that only pass the order by sitting in the air conditioned office. Okay. I was a field worker. Till last.
Okay. Right. So you enjoyed working in the field rather than sitting in the IC room.
Yeah. I enjoyed working in the field and vast experience in different fields, different factories, different organizations.
So that's great. So that's your journey. 15 years in Indian Air Force.
Yeah.
Then about 1.5 years in different, dish antenna and Konkan Railways, and remaining 26 years in Central Excise, covering all wings like intelligence and preventive and sea searching and CBI kind of things.
Yeah.
So now predominantly 3 organizations. One is Air Force, another is Central Excise, The third one is the CBI. So out of these three kinds of services you have rendered, which one you feel is the most enjoying or enjoyable?
Enjoyable. Enjoyable is different and working as per but Air Force, Indian Air Force has given me life. I was just matriculated. I was not knowing anything what is happening around the world. But after joining Air Force, I learned so many things, so many friends I got from all over India, and I got a wide exposure in Indian Air Force. Enjoyable life was there in Central Exercise. Central Exercise now, wherever you go, you have enjoyment and all. Every party and or everything was there. But in CBI, the power was there. Everybody was afraid of you, and you got power to catch anybody. That was
So it means you are empowered and made a no professional or skillful person by Air Force
uh,
and enjoyed in Central Exercise
yes.
and used your power in CBI.
Actually, one thing I forgot to tell during this speech, when I joined Central Exercise, just after 2 months, no, I got a call from Air India because I have passed all over India basis junior technical officer exam, junior technical officer.
Okay.
And actually, I wanted to leave the Central Exercise and join Air India. I went for interview. I given very nice interview there. And I was they were talking about three people were there, officers. I think one was the ex Air Force maybe, and I was talking about what much salary, whether I will get quarter or not, and what. And then they asked me why you want to join Air India. I said that I worked for 15 years in Indian Air Force, same airfield, aircraft and airfield. I am familiar with aircraft and airfield, and similar the organization I want to join as an officer.
Okay.
So they said that you got better job than us. That is Central Exercise and Customs. They must have seen the white uniform officer of customs on airport. So he said that you got better job than me. So I told them that I am a born technician. I studied in technical school, and till that time I was in technical field only. Just for some job, secured job, I joined Central Exercise. But they did not select me.
Yeah, so that's good.
But that's good actually one way.
So otherwise you would have not gone to other cases.
Thereafter I concentrated on this Central Exercise and progress in that field.
So okay, sir, that's good. Now, what are your learnings from Indian Air Force or this Central Exercise or CBI? What did you learn?
Air Force, I became an engineer from Air Force, and so many friends I got. And see, 12 years I was living in. Means my life was depending on my friends only, who helped me during my stay in billets or essential mess and all. One of my friend,
they only help you to become a bodybuilder.
Air
Force friends only help you to clear AMIE.
Yes.
Everything is because of Air Force.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely, because one sportsman, Indar Rajan, some name is. He was having a room in essential mess, and I was on deputation at TD. I was not having. So he given me his room, and he was always going on some camp or NIS coaching. So in this room only I studied the AMI subject, and I could complete that.
Yeah, that's how Air Force helps us in one way or the other for our growth.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
So we should always remain grateful to Air Force.
Today, what I am, that is because of Air Force only. Otherwise, I would have been some diploma holder and joining some factory and all supervisor cadre only.
Yes, sir.
So
that's great.
I got through.
So, what about your family, sir?
Family, sir, my wife and I, two people are staying. I got an independent house here, and I got only one daughter. She did engineering in electronics and telecommunication, and now she has gone to Australia for MS.
That's great.
She has completed MS in last July.
Okay.
And she is supposed to come back, but due to lockdown, she is held up there. But she is doing a better job there.
So that's great, sir. So successful children, happy parents.
Yeah.
So
I have many foreign visits, and I was thinking to go to Australia last year for her convocation, but due to lockdown, I could not go to Australia.
So Australia is a beautiful continent, sir, and particularly that Melbourne. I also seen that. It's a beautiful place to visit. You must go
Yeah,
and see
Melbourne.
it.
I wanted to go. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next
So
year I'll definitely go.
yes, sir.
Now
So
I am retired and having leisure life.
okay. So, sir, what is your message to
Tell
our
me.
air warriors on the call now? About your what is the message you want to give in life out of your
What is
experience in Air
my
Force and
first?
different spheres?
First is work is work. Work is worship.
Work is worship. Great.
You do whatever work is given to you. You concentrate on this. Let it be any type of work. You will be successful. Any field. And second thing, I believe in friendship. Friendship, I have friendship. Keep good friends and maintain the friendship. Still see my abnegate trainees, those who went with me for Air Force training, they are still my friends. Still we are meeting. Still we are having gatherings. So that we have to maintain the friendship. These two things I would like to say.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And also health part of it, you are very, very health conscious.
Now, yeah, I am doing my day-to-day exercises and I am having a leisure time. I am not working there anywhere. I got my own office here. I am doing some consultancy or giving a free guidance for in CBI cases, free guidance in CBI cases. Also,
So anybody wants any guidance in respect CBI or Central Excise, you can guide them all over with your knowledge.
my
So your network is
For
weak, sir.
gathering
Say again. Say again, sir. Sarangdar, sir. Please speak again. Your network is weak.
social. So I would like to give to service association. They can come and join me in this my office premises and do the activities.
Sir, we could be happy if you name few of your best friends, Air Force friends. Because I know one Anandan, Mystery Asia bodybuilder, he is our entry mate. Is he the same friend?
I think
Yes,
there is
yes,
some.
he was there, Anandan.
I think there is some issue with
Anandan,
his.
yeah, Anandan is our entry mate. 178 DPI.
Yes. I think he
The
was with
bodybuilder.
Sarangdar also. Anandanji, when we all were in the bodybuilding those days. Anandas was Mr. India.
Yeah, one second.
He was
Acha,
Mystery Asia also, sir. We recently
सारंगधर का फोन को क्या हो गया?
his daughter.
One second, one second.
O2, sir.
no, let us not talk.
So hello.
Yeah, Sarangdar Saab, okay. Unmute yourself and speak. Unmute.
Okay. Having a office near to Vasai station.
There is some.
So I offer my services and my office.
Acha, you are offering your services freely to your people.
Services also and office premises also.
Office.
Service association.
Okay.
Mm. So
You have to
anybody
unmute yourself, sir.
interested can join me.
You please unmute, sir. Ramakant Saab. Unmute and speak.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
So Hello.
Well, I request
Hello.
others to go on mute, please. Others to go on mute, please. Varnanji. Yes, sir. Sarangdar.
So I am interested in social things and I am associated with many service associations. Army, Navy, Air Force, also Air Force Association. I offer my services, regulate my office people for good cause of our veterans.
So that's what I'm saying. If anybody wants any guidance in respect CPI or Central Excise, they can take your guidance. Right, sir?
Yeah, free guidance from me.
Okay. Free guidance. Okay, thank you. And also, before we go for the question and answer session, I will try once again to show your bodybuilding and other photos. 1 second, sir. So this is the photo. When is it taken, sir? While you are working in this?
No, I am not able to see.
Can you see now?
No, how?
So 1 second.
of India. So Bank of India, some
Bank of India photo is shown.
Bank of India that was training for CBI officer.
Okay. 1 second, sir. So he is here like this. Can you see now here?
Yes,
So-
we can see.
Yes, sir. So we'll manage somehow like this. So he's our Mr. Air Force kind of thing. So when was it, sir?
Very young
It was
photographs.
84, 85.
Okay, right.
1984, 85.
Just repeat, when was this?
Photo you want to see?
1984, 85.
So one more photo of with all his other competitors. So now he also received a commendation from DGP at that point of time. So what is this
Yes,
photo?
sure.
Sir? This photo?
This is after completion of building.
Ah,
This is a central exercise flag hosting ceremony.
so you are in
15
uniform.
August and this
Uniform.
15 August. I am in the dark uniform.
Dark uniform.
Since I was a veteran, I conducted in every
Acha.
time I
Okay.
conduct a parade of the center. And still today, even after retirement also I go there
Acha.
and take the parade.
Okay. Now I'll try for that photo.
On the occasion of 15 August and one bodybuilder there, Mr. India, Mr. Asia, Mr.